Hello guys, I'm Alice from Vending. Today I'm going to show you a new machine that's called the Picaco. If you happen to sell gift and flower, don't miss out. When you receive the order from your customers, you may have their contaction. So you will need to log in our system and do some setting. Please check the following instruction.
To get funky, girl, come on, get funky, yeah, come on, let's get funky, on. Yeah, oh yeah, get funky, I want you to pop your hips like you used to. Come on, get funky, I wanna make sweet love to you all night long. Oh, shake your money maker, like Jane Brown used to say. Bust that little thing, like Prince used to say. Oh, shake your money maker, oh yeah, shake it, body maker. Bust that little thing, like all they used to say. 派对场合交换，不用太明了。If the music is too loud， 可以用舞蹈。尽管身材曼妙，却不想太高调。忽略那些指手画脚，我也不敢打包票。直接发出信号，心动就在下一秒。If the music is too loud， 可以用舞蹈。外套早已。
Okay, now I get the Picaco. Let's see how you work. It's easy, right? If you want to know more information, please contact us.